Hello everyone, this is Ajay, and in this video we'll look about polygon. Click on polygon. In polygon we can draw a minimum of 3 sides and maximum of 1024 sides. It asks you to specify the number of sides. Let it be 5. I'm giving 5. Then it asks you to specify the center. Specify center, and here we have two options. Either we can draw polygon using inscribed in circle or circumscribed about circle. Inscribed in the circle. For this we have to give radius, that is the, so we have to give a radius of the circle about giving, let it be 20. Enter. Polygon of radius 10 has been formed. And then we have circumscribed about circle. So in circumscribed about circle, the perpendicular distance from any side to the center has to be given. So this is the perpendicular distance that you have to specify. I'm giving it 15. Hit enter. Distance from center to here is 15. Let me check. So distance of 15 has been formed. And then here we have one more option, that we can specify edge side also. So I want an edge side of 10. Similarly, all the sides has been formed with 10 only. So this is all about polygon. And then we have ellipse. Try to locate it. So select ellipse, select center anywhere. It specifies you to give the end point, the axis, and you have given an end point. Use distance in the y direction. So this is all about ellipse. Let's explore in detail. So here we have center. So by giving center we can draw an ellipse, and we can draw ellipse without center also by using axis end, and we can draw elliptical arc. First center end. Click on center. I want an ellipse of length in the direction of x about 200. And hit enter, and in the y direction about 50. So ellipse has been formed. And then axis end. AutoCAD forms asks you to specify endpoint. Click anywhere and type the distance from one endpoint to another endpoint. Let it be 150. Hit enter and type in the length in the y direction. Let it be 70. So with the help of axis end we can draw an ellipse. And then here we have elliptical arc. So same, we can draw elliptical arc either by endpoint or center. So I am choosing here center. Click anywhere and give the horizontal distance about 50, and then vertical distance 50. Click a point from where you want an arc and choose the destination point. I want an arc about 270 degrees. Click here. Elliptical arc with 270 degrees has been formed. So this is all about rectangle and ellipse. Subscribe the videos if you like. If you have any questions regarding this video, comment below.